First breakdown. First breakdown. First breakdown. It's hot already, and it's just now 8:30. Slight breeze, but it's very humid. Let's talk about family situations and learning that everyone in life, they have their own situations that they're going through. And I'm speaking from experience. I had to realize that just because I'm going through something at the moment, that doesn't mean that other people aren't going through things in their life. I'm speaking upon myself and my wife's situation where we suffered a medical event. And I was so scared about the situation to where I took a lot of my fear and I took a lot of my anger out on my loved ones. Even though the way how I felt was the way how I felt, and I still kind of feel like in the situation that I really wasn't wrong, but I was wrong about the way how I handled the situation. Because like I say, just because you going through something in life, you always got to remember that other people have their own lives to deal with as well. So hopefully if someone who's watching my channel is going through any type of situation to where it's family, it can be a situation that just you dealing with self. Just think first before you open your mouth and speak, because sometimes when you're going through a stressful situation, sometimes you may say the wrong thing. You may be meaning to get your point across, but you might just say the wrong thing. You just may go about it the wrong way. Just remember that other people have feelings too. And I'm speaking about myself because sometimes I move too quick. Sometimes I think too much. This video is just letting one know to be mindful about everyone's situation in life. Because like I say, and I'm going to say it once again, just because I'm going through something in life doesn't mean that the next person isn't going through something in life as well. So we got to be considerate of everyone. I watched a video a week ago, a church video that my mother sent to me. Like I say, I still feel the way how I feel about some situations, but I do understand. And if a person is there for you, don't never lose sight of that. Like, this person been there for me all my life. So you got to respect other people's feelings as well. The ones that's been there for you, you got to respect that fact. And my mother and my father, my brother, they always been there for me. Like I say, even no matter what I'm going through, I know my mother, my father, my brother has been there for me in my life. And I love my mother, my father, and my brother for that. Without them, I would have no one besides my kids, my wife. Just basically, just cherish your family, love your family. And if you did wrong, it's okay to admit that you were wrong, but you still have the right to feel how you feel. But if you care for a person, it's alright. It's okay with saying you sorry. If you realize something and you want to be better in life, you can be better. And that's what I realized. God only give you so much. He's not going to give you any more than what you can handle. So whatever me and my wife is going through right now, it's for change. We're going to make it through this, and it's going to bring betterness, happiness, structure into our life. Just sometimes you just need to sit back and think. That's what God gave us this for. Use your brain, use your mind, use your heart. Stay mindful. I'm not going to talk y'all to death, but if you're watching my channel, I hope that this video, maybe it helped you in your situation. Because me talking to you guys, it helps me. That's why I do it. That's why I make my videos, to help myself and others as well. So, the channel, Big Gorilla. Why the name Big Gorilla? Well, if you know anything about gorillas, silverback gorillas especially, check out that wisdom. The silverback gorilla can be the most peaceful creation ever created. They mind their business. They're humble. They're calm. They're cool. They're collected. But a gorilla has the strength of 1,000 men. The gorilla could be so calm, but if you piss the gorilla off, he could break you with the snap of his fingers. The gorilla. So that's why I chose the name Big Gorilla for the channel. He's calm, cool, and he's collected, but at the same time, he's one of the strongest creations ever. Big Gorilla. And if you feel the message, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button. Big Gorilla. And I'm out. Peace.